In today's digital world, documents play an important role in communication, business, education, personal projects, and professional presentation. When a document contains incorrect text, outdated information, formatting problems, or visual inconsistencies, professional editing can make a significant difference. A professional document editor helps you improve the appearance, readability, and overall presentation of your documents while maintaining the original structure and purpose of the file. Whether you are working with scanned documents, PDFs, JPEG images, screenshots, or other document formats, an experienced professional can carefully edit the required elements and create a clean, polished result. As a professional document editor, the focus is on accuracy, consistency, and attention to detail. Every project can be reviewed carefully to identify areas that need improvement. Text alignment, spacing, typography, positioning, formatting, and other visual elements can be adjusted according to your requirements. One of the biggest advantages of working with a professional document editor is the ability to handle different types of editing requirements. Some clients may need simple text corrections, while others may require more detailed document adjustments. Each project can be approached according to its specific requirements. If your document contains outdated wording or needs a particular section updated, the editing process can be performed carefully while keeping the overall appearance consistent. The goal is to make the edited area look natural within the document rather than making it appear visually disconnected from the surrounding content. A professional document editor can also help with layout-related improvements. Proper spacing, alignment, font consistency, and positioning are important factors when creating a professional-looking document. Even small inconsistencies can affect the overall appearance, so careful editing and quality checking are essential. For image-based documents, editing can require additional attention. When text is part of an image or scanned file, specialized editing techniques may be needed to achieve a clean result. A professional document editor can work with these types of files and make appropriate visual adjustments based on the provided requirements. Another important part of professional document editing is maintaining consistency. If a document uses a particular font, size, spacing, or layout, the edited content should follow the same visual style whenever possible. This creates a more unified and professional appearance. Clear communication is also important throughout the editing process. Before beginning a project, the required changes can be reviewed carefully so that the final result without unnecessarily altering unrelated parts of the document. If you are looking for a professional document editor for your next project, you can provide the document and explain the changes you need. The project requirements can then be reviewed carefully before the editing work begins. For professional document editing services, you can contact us through the following details. Payment options are available through Crypto, Zoom, Remitly, and Western Union. Choose a professional document editor when accuracy, clean presentation, and careful attention to your editing requirements matter. With the right editing approach, your documents can be presented in a clearer, more consistent, and more professional way.